The Garrotxa volcanic zone in the northeast of Catalonia boasts the best example of volcanic terrain on the Iberian Peninsula, and one of the most interesting in continental Europe. With over 10 craters and 23 cones, dating from over 10,000 years ago, this area is renowned specifically for its stunning lava flows. The last eruption was about 11,000 years ago, yet the volcanoes are not officially extinct quite yet. The combination of relief, soils, and climate found in La Garrotxa give rise to highly varied and often exuberant vegetation. This area is a hiker's paradise, with a great variety of flora and fauna. More than 1,500 species of vascular plant have been recorded within the park, and over 250 species of animals and 140 species of birds also call La Garrotxa their home. The heart of La Garrotxa Volcanic Zone Natural Park covers 3 of the most visited places in the region. The Cruscat volcano is one of these. Standing at 160 meters in height, it is the highest volcanic cone in the Iberian Peninsula. For many years, one of its flanks was quarried, today bearing an impressive scar as a reminder of the extraction. There is also the Santa Margarita volcano. Formed after an explosion opened a broad circular crater in which the chapel dedicated to Santa Margarita was built. Today, the crater floor is pasture land, while the flanks of the volcano are covered in evergreen oak on the sunny south-facing side and mixed deciduous forest on the cooler north-facing slope. By the base of the El Cruscat volcano is the natural beech tree reserve of La Fageda d'Enjorda. It is unusual to see a continental forest at this lower altitude, but this is possible thanks to the great humidity and the effective drainage of the volcanic rock. Another interesting place we will visit is the Cooperativa La Fageda. This is a successful, socially responsible company that provides work for disabled and mentally ill people of the region. This dairy farm invites the visitor to see how local farm-made yogurt is produced manually, and to come up close to the animals and learn how they are well taken care of, and especially to taste the dairy products. La Garrotxa, Iberian volcanoes, hiking and farming, an amazing outdoor excursion through Catalonia's rural tourism